Crossbreeds, welcome to JagsCentral. I'm Mallory Aldrich, and here's everything you need to know about this week's Jags game. Get your cowbells, because this week the Jags will be heading to Texas to play the Houston Texans. The game will start at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and regular coverage of the game will be on CBS. Now, for this week's tailgate recipe. The recipe chosen for this week are pecan pie bars. These bars are perfect as they use ingredients that will already be in your pantry from Thanksgiving. The ingredients needed for the bars are all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, butter, brown sugar, honey, whipping cream, and pecans. To make the bars, there are only 7 steps to follow. Step 1, prepare your oven and the baking dish. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and lightly grease a 13 by 9-inch baking dish with cooking spray. Step 2, make the crust. First, sift together the flour and the powdered sugar, and then cut in the softened butter until the mixture has the texture of a coarse meal. Step 3, press the crust mixture into the baking dish. Next, pack the mixture on the bottom and up the sides of the lightly greased baking dish. Step 4, bake the crust. Bake your crust in your preheated oven for 20 minutes or until the edges are lightly browned, and then cool it. Now, don't turn off your oven yet as you're still going to need it. Step 5, make the filling. While the crust cools, bring the brown sugar, honey, 2/3 a cup of butter, and whipping cream to a boil in the saucepan over medium-high heat. Then stir in your pecans. Step 6, add the filling to the crust. After the crust cools, pour the hot filling into the baking pan over the crust. Step 7, bake the bars. Bake the bars in your still preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden and bubbly. Lastly, let the bars cool completely before cutting into 2-inch squares. To find a full recipe and other tailgate recipes, you can scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen. Well, that's another edition of Jags Central. I'm Mallory Aldrich, and I'll see you next time. Go Jags!